Righto. Today I am using a new DJI Action 5 Pro. Microphone's linked to it, so that should make that easier. GoPro's running, microphones are running, and we're leaving Old Faithful, the hometown silos. So from here to Manna Gum. But we'll discuss that when we get moving. I'll beat him. Go slow. Right. What I want to do is I went to the Dandongadale Buffalo track. I stumbled upon a spectacular scenic clearing. I thought to myself how devastated I was that I didn't take my camp gear with me. I would have loved to have caught the sunset, caught the sunrise, and just enjoyed being up there. Now the weather hasn't turned too bad on me yet. It's going to be in the 20 degrees, which is nice during the day, and it's going to be in the 8 degrees overnight. So, can do. Oh, Mr. Speed Camera! Not catch me, Mr. Speed Camera. 90, I'm doing 100, so I'm probably only doing 92 or something like that. So, suffering your jumps. Alright, and I'll check back in a little bit. Why does it turn itself on and off? Oh, is it because I said that phrase and the voice control is on? Let's run it. Oh dear. Law courts. It's Shepparton, so they punch a bit through there, I reckon. It's time for a toilet break anyway. Righto. Stop for a very quick break. And now I'm about to jump back on the freeway, still on my way to Myrtleford. I am running late. I wanted to be way earlier than this, but alas, I am not. And while I was stopped, I couldn't help but notice I took my helmet off. The way that I've got my DJI Mic 2 in my helmet is it's literally just sitting in the chin guard, being held with a magnet. The magnet that comes with them. I lost the little magnet. Dag nabbit. Ooh, King Valley. Getting close now. I wanted to do the entire trip up to where I wanted to camp today, but I feel like it's just going to be too much of a rush. If I do it tomorrow, I can just do it easy. I think that'll work. Look at these hills. That's what we're going to get right up into that. That was a quick stop for petrol at Myrtleford. Now we're going to go into the campsite. Turn the bike on. Apparently that helps. I'm going to frig with the modes too, because I know I'm getting into dirt. It'll take a little while, but I'm getting into dirt. Into the dirt. Into the dirt. Done. I know. The final stretch. So it'll be about 2 o'clock by the time I get to camp. All going well. Or past 2, it'll be past 2 o'clock. K's over the dam road. This is it. This is the dam road. Taking some dam photo, recording some dam video. And later I'm gonna go up this damned river. Oh, look at that. Damn spillway. She's flowing. Lovely. Alright. That's all the damn footage we're going to see for today, I reckon. Yep. Alright, let's continue up the damned river. Creek. Oh, they're doing some work or have done some work. I've picked the wrong line here. Ugh. This seems fresh, as if there's going to be a grater 10k, 5k down the track. Jeez, what have they done here? Oh, we're going to grate half the road. Right, yeah. The left or the right, or oh no, we're just going to, you know, maybe some of the left, maybe some of the right, maybe we'll leave gigantic big friggin' rocks in the middle of the road, who knows, you know? Here he is. Wow. That was gold. Lucky I wasn't flying around. Could have come around a corner and kissed a caterpillar. That would have been suboptimal. Look at this. Ready? That's us tomorrow morning. we're going to go up that and head to the next campsite. Hell yeah, looking forward to that. But for now, let's get to the site. Let's get to tonight's camp. And this is it. Let's see who, if anyone, is in here. Seems like only yesterday I was here. Right. Let's have a look. Decide where we're going to set up. Righto. We'll figure this out momentarily. And this will be camp for the day. I'm just going to stop for a moment, have some snacky snacks, and then when I've set up camp, I'll give you the tour. We'll have a look at this. This is for later. This is when I'm up the hill. Ooh, a little wee jab. Yeah, looking forward to that. Yes, indeedy. So, this is camp. The bike and a lot of gear is all strewn out on that table. I don't know if you can see from the glare. The tent's set up, kind of, in a fashion. And we're going to go for a walk down to the river. Look at that, tracky pants, okay, Crocs, all the smart gear. Wait till you see this. The river's looking good. The fish are always jumping. Can never catch a damn thing though, can we, Charlie? This will give you an idea. Oop. Oop. Have a look at that. Hey, how good is it? So clear. Right, better finish setting up camp. Yeah. And nearly time to chill out for a bit. Yeah. Chill out. That'll do for now. So, 3 days since I've gotten home from my Dandongadale trip, and remember I lost the little magnet off the back of my microphone. Technically I lost it on the first day of the trip, so 5 days, including up Dandongadale, Buffalo Ridge track, up all these snotty hills. Well, have a look at this. Doing some maintenance on the bike today, yeah, and I was sort of moving these bags a little bit further forward and a little lower, and what did I notice? Right there on the quick shifter. Have a look at that. Unreal. The magnet off the microphone was attached to just the quick shifter, just sitting there. It had been sitting there the entire ride.